Here we have one more problem from applications of derivative for IP. Find the approximate value of root 82. Here we have given f of x plus delta x is equal to root 82, x is equal to 81 and delta x is equal to 1 you take. Here f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to root x. We know that f dash of x is equal to x plus f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. So by cross multiplication, f dash of x into delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So what is f of x plus delta x is equal to x plus delta x is equal to, you can take into this side f dash of x into delta x plus f of x. Okay, all of you. But what is f of x plus delta x is equal to? X plus delta x is equal to root 82 is equal to f dash of x delta x plus f of x. Here f of x is equal to this is root x and f dash of x is equal to derivative of this one 1 by 2 root x. You substitute is equal to root 82 is equal to f dash of x 1 by 2 root x into delta x plus root x f of x. Okay, all of you. Here x is equal to 81 and delta x is equal to 1. Root 82 is equal to 1 by 2 into root 81 into delta x plus 1 root 81. So root 82 is equal to 1 by 2 into 9. Root 81 is equal to what? 9 plus 9 is equal to 1 by 18 plus 9. So 1 by 18, this is 18.000. So 18 5 is a 90. This is 10. Again 0, 5. So this value is the 1 by 18 value 0.055 plus so on. So this is 9. 9.05 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Root 82 approximate value is 9.05. That's all of you. Thank you. Here we have the problem. Find the approximate value of cos 60 degrees 5 minutes. So 1 degree is equal to 0.0174 radians. Okay, all of you. Here we have to find the approximate value of cos 60 degrees 5 minutes. So here you see here f of x plus delta x is equal to, this is cos 60 degrees 5 minutes. Okay, all of you. This one is given. Here x is equal to 60 degrees you take and delta x is equal to 5 minutes. 5 minutes is equal to what? 5 minutes is equal to, this is, we know that 61 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 12 into 5 minutes is equal to, but 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to what? 1 degree is equal to 0.0174. 5 minutes is equal to 0.0174 by, this is 12. Okay, all of you, this one. So here this is the delta, this is the delta x is equal to, then f of x plus delta x. F of x is equal to what? This is cos x. So we know that f dash of x is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x by here delta x by cross multiplication, and f of x plus delta x is equal to f dash of x delta x plus f of x. Okay, all of you. Then after you have to write f of x delta x, f of x plus delta x is equal to cos 60 degrees 5 minutes. Cos 60 degrees 5 minutes is equal to f dash of x. Here f of x is equal to cos x. F dash of x is equal to minus sin x. So this is minus sin x into delta x plus f of x. This is cos x. X is equal to what? 60 degrees. Delta x is equal to what? 5 minutes. So cos 60 degrees 5 minutes equal to minus sin 60 degrees into this is 5 minutes plus cos 60 degrees. What is the minus sin 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2 into 5 minutes value 0.0174 by 12. This is 0.0174 by 12 plus this is cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. This is minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2 value, this is 1.732 by 2 minus this is 0.866 by 12 into 0.174 0.0174 plus 0.5. So this value, this is 12 5 12 8 ja 12 8 ja 84, 12 7 ja 84. Okay, all of you, 12 7 ja 84. This value 0 7. Again 26. 12 2 ja 24. Approximate value minus 0.072 into 0.0174, okay, plus 0.5 is equal to, by multiplication, 0.07 0.01. So 0.07 into 0.01. What is the value? 7. 7 20 point. So this is minus 0.007. Okay, 0.007 plus this is 0.5. What is the value? Here 0.5000. This is 0.0007. Then what is 3? This 9. This 9 4. So positive value 0.4993 is the answer. Approximate value. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have the one more problem. Find the approximate value of cube root of 64. You see, all of you, here approximate value of cube root of 64. So here given f of x plus delta x is equal to cube root of 64, where x is equal 64, cube root of 65, this one, cube root of 65, and here x is equal to 64 and delta x is equal to 1 you take. Okay, all of you. So f of x plus delta x is equal to cube root of 65. X is equal to 64 you take. Delta x is equal to 1 you take. So we know that f of x plus delta x is equal to f dash of x into delta x plus f of x. Here f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to cube root x. Cube root x, and f dash of x is equal to what? This is 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3. This is x power 1 by 3. So here f of x plus delta x is equal to, what is f dash of x? 1 by 3 into cube root of x square, or x power 2 by 3. X square, x power 2 by 3 into delta x. Delta x plus f of x is equal to, this is x power 1 by 3 or cube root 3. You substitute x is equal to here 64 and x is equal to 64, delta x is equal to 1. Then f of x plus delta x, this is cube root of 65, is equal to 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3. X power 2 by 3, x is equal to 64. 64 whole power 2 by 3 into delta x 1 plus this is 64 whole power 1 by 3. Okay, all of you. Then cube root of 65 is equal to, this is 1 by 3 into 4 cube whole power 2 by 3 plus this is 4 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancel, 3 cancel, equal to 1 by 3 into this is 4 square 16. Okay, all of you. 3 into 4 square is 16 plus this is 4. Okay, this is 1 by 3 16 ja 48 plus 4. Okay, 1 by 48. 1 by 48. This is 48.00. This is 0. 48 2 ja. 2 8 ja 16. 1 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9 96 for the 0 and 0. 0. This is 0.02 approximate value plus 4 is equal to 4.02 approximate value. Okay, all of you, this is the answer. That's all. Thank you. Find the approximate value of cube root of 7.8. Okay, all of you, here we have given f of x plus delta x is equal to cube root of 7.8. Here you take x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 8. Delta x is equal to minus 0.2 you take. Then after, what is f of x plus delta x is equal to f dash of x into delta x plus f of x. Here f of x is equal to cube root x and f dash of x is equal to, this is 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3. Okay, all of you. Then what is f of x plus delta x is equal to f dash of x. F dash of x is 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 into delta x. Delta x plus what is f of x? Cube root of x. This is x power 1 by 3. Okay, all of you. Here x is equal to what? X is equal to 8 and delta x is equal to minus 0.2. Then f of x plus delta x equal to 1 by 3 into 8. 8 power 2 by 3 into delta x minus 0.2 plus x power 2 by 3. This is 8 power 1 by 3. Okay, all of you. Then what is the f of x plus delta x? This is cube root of 7.8 equal to 1 by 1 by 3 into 8 can be written as 2 cube. 3 into 2 cube whole power 2 by 3 minus 0.2 plus this is 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancel, 3 cancel. Cube root 7.8 is equal to minus 0.2 by 3 into 2 square 4 plus here this is 2. This is 2 1 ja 2 2 ja minus 0.1 by 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 point, this is 0 minus 1 by 60 plus 2. Okay, all of you. Here this is 1 by 60. 60.000. 61 ja 60. 40 is there and 40 is there. Point is there 0. So 6 6 is 36. So 360. Again 40. This is equal to minus 0.016 plus 2. So 2.000, this is 0.016, this is 4, and 9 minus 1, 8, 9 point, here 1.984. This value 1.984 approximately. Approximately 1.984 approximately. That is the cube root of 7.8 value. Okay, all of you. Thank you.